Now there's two ways to do this. The way that I'm showing you just now is after the fact. So once you've actually installed and tested your image and you want to install your applications, what you have to do first is copy them onto the system. Now the easiest way to do that, if it's a physical system, would be to copy the file that you created previously in our previous tutorial onto a USB drive, and then from the USB drive take it out the machine that it was on, put it in the new machine you want to copy it to, and then install it from there. What I'm going to try and do is I'm actually going to try and copy this through my network. So to do that, I'm going to check my machine's IP by opening a Windows PowerShell admin. And I am going to do ipconfig. Okay, so 192.168.0.53, so I will then set up sharing on my local drive. So if I go in here and I go to my C drive, I go to right click and properties, I can set up sharing, advanced sharing, share this device. Yep, apply. Okay. Oh, actually go back in there, go to permissions, give me full control. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. Close. Now if I open up that location, get IP address up again. Bring this window in here and do 192.168.0.53. It should ask me to log in. I'll log in with the account on the local system. That is the system I'm trying to connect to rather. And there's my C drive. Inside my C drive, I'll place it on the desktop. So it's actually in my downloads folder. That's it there. So I'll just copy that across and then go back to 192.168.0.53 in my C drive. Go into users, go into the admin account, go to my desktop and I'll paste it in there. Close that down now, you can see it's appeared. I really wish I could change the screen resolution at this point. It's not letting me, so unfortunately this is a tiny little part of the screen you're staring at. So we can close down these windows, and now if I double click this, it should prepare the setup. User account control will kick in and ask me if I'm okay to make changes to devices, so I'll click yes. There's VLC, and finally we should have Discord. And there we go. You now click close and you can test your applications. So Audacity, that worked fine. Notepad++, that worked fine. Opera, that's fine. VLC, that's fine. And finally Discord. Okay, so Discord's a few more updates. That's not unusual for an application of this type. And there we go. Discord appears to be working. Let's try to detect an account, but I don't have an account here. So it's asking me to log in or to use the QR code. That's fine, just close that down just now. Now, one thing that I didn't show you there was obviously 7-zip, but there it's there. And the 7-zip file manager. And there we go. So all those applications have installed successfully, and you pretty much just had to copy it across and double click. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.